This is James, and he's just found out about VR technologies for business. Industry, medicine, education, marketing, aviation, everyone's coming to grips with virtual reality, and James won't be left behind. Every year, his company spends hundreds of thousands of dollars on employee training, exhibitions, presentations, and designing new facilities. Now, James knows how to save money. A headset, a couple of controllers, a VR project, and interactive client presentations can be delivered in virtual reality. Employee training sessions too. Exactly what they need. James selects a VR development team, places the order, pays the invoice, and receives the finished project. A week later, he learns that the task has changed slightly. Okay, he sends the changes to the developers, pays the invoice, waits for the work to be done, and receives the finished product again. But that was before. Now there's a better way. The Varwin team develops the VR project, then hands it off to the client along with content management software. If equipment changes or a training session or virtual tour needs to be altered, updates can be made easily without getting the developers involved. Now, James and his colleagues can add to projects, make changes, and experiment quickly and for free. Varwin VR solutions for real-life tasks.